I got my swag on full tilt right now. So, okay. This right here is something new. Something you ain't never heard before. Something you'll never hear again from anybody else. I'm the only one that can do this shit. So in case you're trying to guess on what I'm talking about, let me introduce myself. I'm Chris Eccles.
I come through trap hits, hard as a motherfucker. Okay. They wanna be my fan, we hard as a motherfucker. Okay. This track that I'm singing on is hard as a motherfucker. And if you don't feel me, then you figure as a motherfucker. I lay down for my niggas, put on for my foe. It's a recession, thank you Jesus for giving hope. Hood on my back, so I'm walking in, I'm gonna toe. I'm big in the eye, so just call me the hood pope. Cause I gotta do it by any means necessary. And I gotta do it, the thought of feeling is very scary. Sometimes it get cold like it's the middle of February, but I keep on pushing because my people I gotta care. At the same time, haters trying to put me down. I love the way they motivate, so I keep them around. But real niggas love me cause they never heard us out. And them niggas bitches love me cause they know I put it down. And they never seen us swag, so damn terrific. I'm standing on the world, so I'm on top of my shit. And I will never stop cause my soul will never